Hey, hello Premi people. Let's go. It's Prem time. Hearts on fire, soul on a pressure cooker. Blazing, shining, and chaotically threatening. Yes, he is our today's hero. Or, should I say, a hero in his own art and personality, but in fact, the most iconic, baddest, Bollywood villain. Cheer up, folks. We are tasting the chili, sweet sauce of the great Prem Chopra today. From a suave manners to a chilling laugh, Prem Chopra Sahab carved his name into Bollywood villaindom forever. That's why he remains Bollywood's signature villain, a wolf in a sinister, but beautiful voice that's impossible to forget. Ready Premi people of Prem Chopra? These are Prem Chopra's most unforgettable dialogues you cannot live without shouting for centuries. Number 8. प्रेम नाम है मेरा. प्रेम चोपड़ा. बॉबी, 1973. Just 6 words. 6 loaded words. Introduced in Bobby, 1973, this line INSTNTBOXCD him permanently into public memory. It wasn't aggressive. It was chillingly confident. प्रेम नाम है मेरा. प्रेम चोपड़ा. The ultimate BRND enemy villain. Number 2. मैं वो बाला हूँ जो शीशे से पत्थर को तोड़ता हूँ. कटी पतंग, 1970. In Kati Patang, Chopra's Kailash declares, I can break stones with glass. The metaphor? Power cloaked in danger. One sung to terror. This subtly sophisticated threat became a signature. Number 3. जिनके घर शीशे के होते हैं, बत्ती बुझा के कपड़े बदलते हैं. सौतन, 1983. From Sautan in 1983, he quips, those with glass houses change clothes in the dark. One line fusing moral hypocrisy with voyeuristic manners. Who needs theatrics when you have a razor-sharp tongue? Number 4. राजनीति की भैंस के लिए दौलत की लाठी की जरूरत होती है. खिलाड़ी, 1992. In Khiladi, 1992, प्रेम चोपड़ा chillingly declares, राजनीति की भैंस के लिए दौलत की लाठी की जरूरत होती है, meaning, for the political buffalo, the rod of money is essential. It's a powerful line that mixes cynicism and truth, exposing how corruption and influence go hand in hand. This dialogue underscored Chopra's mastery, using everyday language to deliver a formidable political warning. And number 5 is, Kar bhala to ho bhala. Raja Babu, 1994. By 94's Raja Babu, he utters, do good, and good will come. But when Chopra says it, with irony and malice, the simplicity conceals a villain's code. His worst threat? Politeness. Now, why these dialogues defined him? Or made him the one and only Prem Chopra that he is? Prem Chopra stood apart from loud, gadget-wielding villains. He didn't need theatrics, just a cold gaze and a silken voice. His villains were everyday people, charming, cultured, but deadly, making his dialogue delivery that much more terrifying. These lines resonated because they were believable threats, spoken with ease, not with rage. We feared them because they felt normal, and you realized they could belong to your neighbor. So here we are Prem Chopra fans. In Bobby, his one scene, one dialogue legacy began. She was the first to speak his name, and boy, did we learn to fear it. With each of these 5 dialogues, Prem Chopra built a legacy that will live forever and ever. Tell us in the comments, which of these lines haunts you most? Comment below. And if you love villainy spoken like silk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. More cinematic revelations await. See you again with another bombastic video. Ciao for now. Live on the bright side.